So we're now at La Parada. We were at Life Grand, but now we moved to La Parada. Yeah, but now we move bathroom. So cute, man.
What are the big days?
You can see why it's so big. They took. Just don't show me.
Oh, what's that?
Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Today is a Wednesday, the 12th I think of December, yeah, 2024, and I'm heading to Urban Brew Studio. So yeah, you guys know Tiara, right? My friend has a meeting there, so I'm just accompanying her to her meeting, and then after that we are, I think we might go to Chinatown or China Mall, I don't know. Yeah, so I'm taking you guys with me. This is the Dee-Dome, by the way. My name is Diki, for those who do not know me, and please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe to be a part of the Dee-Dome. We must fill up this dome. Let's fill up this dome, darling. So finally here, guys. We're at reception. We're just waiting for like the person who's gonna have the meeting with. So y'all. Sure.
Also on the way up.
Maybe how about you do just there. So everyone's on lunch. It's lunchtime now, but now I'm full. I ate before I left my place, so I'm good. Got Xoxo, and then I don't know if Tia's gonna eat, but I'm not gonna eat. I'm just gonna drink some water. So for now we're just chilling, you know. I'm just waiting for Tia or like a still until lunch here. I said we can go back to the studio and like just watch and, you know, the vibes. That thing is a not talk show. It's a, I don't know. Yeah, it's a something show. Yeah. It's so hot, guys, and I'm a bit sleepy-ish. I'm a bit sleepy, but yeah, I ordered food, so we're just waiting for the food. But as I've said, I'm not really hungry. But no, I think it's 1. No, I'm lying. Yeah, we caught up with the 1. Yeah. But I'm very sleepy. I slept at 5. What's this? I slept at 5 a.m. and I woke up at 8. Is this my life? Also, guys, one day you must talk about what happened here. I got burned by your #1 trusted products in South Africa. Did it do rag? I still work because what was that? Tell us what you have done, man. Skabara Mureki. Skabara Mureki. Ini?
Kira appetite ka ebile e tsamaile.
Oh, and they also shoot the masked singer here. The studios, I think, is there.
Just standing by? Sharp, sharp. Okay, let's do it quickly. I need to start with that Unati's interview on the other side, which is she has to go. Standing by? Thank you. Can we wipe the floor, please? I just want to do a cold opening. Yeah. Thank you. You guys will wait for me this side as well. Yeah.
We're now in Chinatown. I don't know. This is a China mall. Yeah, by China
The
mall.
Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Looking for those small fans. But it's so hard to see what I'm usually like there's a lot going on. I can wait for something cold. Jangan berbibik. Yo, tapi kita dah 16 lagi. Bila kira orang ni nak kira. Ini dah lagi kaki. Kuningi. Lord Jesus, God help me. Oh. Lord Jesus, God help me. Oh. Guys, it's drizzling so bad, man. Oh, last time. It's drizzling so bad. Mampula kan nales tel tak jalan ku wimpi atau lagi chips lah kau laku wimpi. Orang lagi chips kau laku wimpi. Betul wimpi macam boleh like no way. Yo laga mampula reach kala chips tigil mana seri le frabek reach kala jabar ka plate. Kini kau jauh kau hore. Yo. Prebile sala ke bolle le mama. Baru ya. Lebih tiro macam le frabek ya tak kala newspaper Yo, can't see guys. Yan naman nagdari ko talaga lang mana no kita nila mama yan naman ka ba dira ka jugo ta bat sila hore we're getting some food and ice cream. Full well now I'm full for cooking. And then ice cream for the road. Our Uber is outside. Yeah, I think our Uber is outside now. Because currently I request tea. Thank you. So I just showed you guys my outfit of the day. I know it's late, but that's something. So yeah, so I'm back home now. I know just that we first went to Tia's place, and then I left her place, then came to my place. And thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe in order to join the Dee-Dome. Let's fill up this dome, guys.
I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone